The above-the-knee rack pull is a strength-building exercise that focuses on the muscles in the back, traps, glutes, and hamstrings while allowing you to lift heavier weights than a full deadlift. You can use this as an accessory movement for deadlift progression or to build strength in your posterior chain. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the safety spotter arms just above knee height in the power rack, then place the loaded barbell on top. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Grip the barbell with a double overhand grip with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine with your shoulders retracted and back flat. Exhale and drive through your heels to extend your hips and knees as you pull the barbell in a straight line, keeping it close to your body. Fully extend your hips at the top of the lift, squeezing your glutes and traps. Inhale as you slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position while controlling the descent. Ensure the barbell lands gently on the safety arms without bouncing. Avoid rounding your back during the lift to prevent injury. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.